Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biancab, and I am not having fun. So clearly you guys know that everybody's inside, which is very important, you guys. Like, I'm saying that this isn't fun and yada yada yada, but it's vital that everybody stay inside due to the coronavirus. This thing is very serious, and I hope that every one of you take it as serious as it is, because people are dying and it's truly a pandemic. And you know, I'm home because it has affected my work. Like, my job has closed down, so I'm just one in a bunch of Americans that are now home because of this virus. Like, everybody's home. My mom's home, my son's home. We haven't been out to school. You guys know I go to school, but they have taken up online sessions in my school. My son has the same thing as well. So yeah, we just been inside. Clearly the only thing I really go outside to do is like probably move my car if I need to, but it's just been inside. And obviously you guys see I look like a bum. I got this thing on my head, brows need to be done, no makeup on my face. My eye is also a little bit red. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, but I did pop a blood vessel in my eye. I don't know, probably stress. So this eye is a little bit red. No, I'm not sick or anything. Please don't think that. It's just, yeah, that normally happens to me. I popped a blood vessel in my eye, so that's been that. But yeah, we just been here all day sitting on the couch, bored. I had classes today online, and I just thought to myself, let me give you guys a video. You know, I haven't given you guys a video in a long time because obviously there's nothing to do. I was gonna do a get ready with me video, but sis, where you going? There's nowhere to go. So I just thought we could do something a little bit fun today and incorporate my son. So he's been dying for a pedicure for weeks. I don't know why. So nowadays I've been doing my nails, my own personal nails inside, and also my pedis inside, just to keep, you know, groomed or whatever. I recently just took off a full set because actually one of them broke from my dog. So I just decided to take the whole lot of them off, and yeah, he's been seeing that action, and his little dry ass feet been looking real ashy and musty. So he's been like, oh, give me a pedicure, but give me a pedicure. So I'm like, you know what, maybe I should do that, give him a pedicure. So today I'm gonna give my son a pedicure, and I'm gonna let you guys watch. It's not gonna be anything fantastic, but it's something to watch. So yeah, this is all that my kid's been doing for the past weeks. He's been a couch potato, just on his phone all day, not doing shit. Clearly, sorry for the curse word. So that's my kid. Hey baby, love you. Yeah, he's annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up, and yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I got everything pretty much set up. This is my personal foot pedi spa. I got this on Amazon for probably like almost $30. I can't remember exactly. This is the brand that it is. It's called Homedics. So yeah, I've had this for a little while, and that's what I do my pedis in. It's a really cool bath. I haven't turned it on yet, so what I did is fill this with a little bit of warm water, just to, you know, set the vibe or whatever. And I'm gonna be using just a foot scrub to scrub his foot, nail clip, obviously, a small file just to clean underneath his toes, a nipper just to clean around his toes, and I'm gonna be using Epsom salt. This is by the Tree Hut brand, and this is Epsom salt with shea butter and coconut and lime. and it's just to give a relaxing feeling, take tension out of your feet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get this kid over here and I am gonna start. So yeah, you guys just watch and see what I do. Alright guys, jumping right in, I'm just taking his foot and showing you guys how his foot looked before, and they're not too bad here, but they look a little bit white and crusty. But yes, did you guys see my dog drinking from the bath? Don't worry, the bath was clean. It didn't have anything in the water, it was just plain water, so she was alright. But still, the ghetto. Yeah, so I got his feet a little bit wet. Now I'm taking the Epsom salt and pouring it into, well, sprinkling it into the water, and I'm just you know, splashing the water on his feet just for a soothing sensation. Then I'm gonna go in with the nail clipper and get his toes clipped because they are long and like weird. He has his dad's feet, you guys. Not cute, but still, he likes to be groomed. Some people have their, you know, thoughts on boys getting pedicures, but he's like one of those type of kids that like to look good. He's into his looks and he wanted to get groomed, so I was a-okay with that. So yeah, pretty much I'm just taking the nail clip and clipping down his toenails. Then I'm just gonna jump right into getting a small nail file, you know, those little pointy nail files, and I'm just gonna take that and get rid of all the dirt underneath his toenails. Alright guys, now I'm going in with my nipping tool. Well, in the nail world it's called a nipper. That's the only thing I know it by. It's kind of like a little what do you call those tools? Oh my gosh, pliers, but this is sharp, and I'm taking that and going in and just clipping all the dead skin from around his toes just to make his, you know, toes look very neat. Now I'm taking the foot scrub, and the bottle that I just showed you guys was just a hand soap from Bath & Body Works. I did not have any foot scrub soap, so I just went in with that. Same thing, hand, feet, doesn't matter. Just get some soap on there to scrub up the surface of his feet. Not the surface, the bottom, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm just going in and scrubbing all the dirt and, you know, dead skin off of his feet just to get a smooth, nice surface. Trust me, he was into that. And believe it or not, I thought he was going to be ticklish when I was doing that, and he wasn't, because I'm very squeamish when I used to go to the salon and do that, but he wasn't. He was a champ. So now I'm taking the foot scrub and I'm washing that off, and I'm just rinsing off his legs. I didn't do too much because, you know, we've been in socks for months, so his feet is not that bad, but they just look a bit ashy and his toes and stuff needed to be clean. So I'm pretty much done. I took the foot spa off, and I'm just gonna go in and dry his feet off, and then I'm gonna go in with a soothing massage oil. I got that from my friend. If you guys want to check her stuff out, I'm going to leave a link in my description bar, and I also have a video up. That's the link I'm going to leave in the description bar, so you guys can check that out and then go to her page and check it out. But yeah, this is just a massaging oil that I'm putting onto his feet, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, to conclude the video, I'm just putting the toe separator through his toes. I was going to put a clear polish on his toes, but I decided to change my mind because I don't want to get him into the habit of doing clear polishes unless he felt like it when he got older. So what I did was just take some cuticle oil and put around his cuticle of his toes just to clean them up, and I did that to both sides. And that's it, guys. That was my son's petty day. Look at that. Look at look at his clean feet. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Trez and I say bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one.